Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. This project is battery discharger. Super simple battery discharger should be better. This is a schematic. As you can see, it is very simple, super simple. 2 transistors and some other normal components. Here is the project that I made. You can see the LED is on. It means that the battery discharged. As soon as the battery going to discharge, the LED gonna be on. I will try with the fresh battery. As you can see, for the first time that I'm connecting the battery to the project, the LED going on. After that, it is going to off and it will turn on as soon as the battery going to discharge. If you are using the batteries for more than 200 milliamps, for 800 milliamps, it is better to use the better transistor over there. This one, exactly BC639 here. And also the diode over there back for the tree should be used twice. Exactly the diode over there. It is a short video for the battery charger or battery discharger. And here is the schematic. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.